Hi guys, and welcome to Tekara Presents. If it is your first time here, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. Listen, today we are going to make something pretty simple, but of course it's going to be delicious. We're going to make some Puerto Rican style rice with pigeon peas, or arroz con gandules. I'm not Puerto Rican, not sure how to say it, but of course the rice tastes delicious and it's the bomb. If you want to see how we make it, just stick around. Alright, so here are the ingredients we are going to need. We have our pigeon peas here, or gandules. We have our badilla, complete seasoning, garlic powder, salt, black pepper, a couple packets of sazon, frozen sofrito, and we have our rice over here. Now I use Carolina Gold parboiled rice. You can use whatever long grain rice that you would like to, but please always make sure that you rinse your rice. Clean your rice. I probably rinsed this rice about 5 or 6 times before the water ran clear. So yeah, it's very dirty, and I'd advise you to always rinse off your rice. Alright, so first up, get you a pan, set it on a medium-high heat, and we're going to take our vegetable oil. That was a lot of vegetable oil I put in there, which makes for some very oily rice. I would not recommend using that much vegetable oil. Probably about half of that amount, but you're gonna get that, bring that up to temp, and then we're gonna go ahead and add in our sofrito. Add in about 2 or 3 tablespoons of the sofrito. Let that sofrito fry, all of the flavors in there, that culantro, that cilantro, that garlic, that onion, all of the good stuff that's in there. You want those flavors to open up before you add in your pigeon peas. We're going to add in our pigeon peas, we're going to add in our seasonings, and then we're going to go ahead and add in our rice. Once you add in your rice, let that go for a little bit, mix it up. Don't let it go for too long. You don't want it to stick. You just want it to kind of get coated in all of those flavors. And then we are going to add in our water. So you're going to do, again, you remember your rice ratio, it's 2 cups of water to every cup of rice. So I had about 2 cups of rice, so I did 4 cups of water. You use your discretion, however much rice you're going to use. You use the ratio and figure out how much water you need. And then we're going to mix that up. You're going to taste it. Always taste your broth to see, where your flavor is and how much either you want to add more salt, pepper. If you need to add anything else, you do that. And then we're going to get that mixed in, cover with a pot top, let it go for about 25-30 minutes until it is dry. Turn it off and you're all set. Alright, so here we are. It's been about 25-30 minutes, probably a little less. Just make sure you keep an eye on it so you do not burn your rice. It is okay to go in and kind of stir it around, a few times, but I would not recommend more than like once or twice because you don't want to let too much of that steam escape. And this is what your rice looks like when it's all done. Delicious. You can see every rice grain. You can see all of those gandules. This rice is delicious. I would recommend adding this to your Sunday dinners. It's good for birthday parties, baby showers, all of that type of stuff. It's delicious. And if you enjoyed the video, of course, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment if you do try the recipe. Come back and let me know how it turned out. Share if you don't mind. It really helps out my channel. And, let me know. Comment, subscribe to the channel, of course. And I will see you all again next time. Take care.